Do the intro.
Yeah, tell me what to say.
Say what?
Say what?
What we're doing?
I don't know. What are we doing?
Finish stripping the shed down.
Okay. I'm gonna write bullshit this.
Well, just go for it.
Alright guys, so today we are going to be stripping this down finally so we can take it off to be skimmed, and then we are also going to be cleaning it up ready for when it does come back from getting skimmed to just throw it straight on.
I think he's after my job. So you guys haven't seen this head yet. We're going to show you this now. You can see all the coolant mixed with oil sat in here. The cams are out. They're all sat underneath here as well. The jack is holding the engine up for those of you wondering. This all needs to be basically cleaned up so it can all be skimmed, taken and recut. There's nothing on here really that suggests anything other damage apart from the gasket. Here's the jack. Nope. So what's the next step now, Jack? What we're going to take out?
These buckets.
Yep.
Them.
Yep.
And that.
So basically we've got to strip this whole thing down so it is literally just the head. That way we can get it skimmed. We're probably going to not have this head for a few days while they actually skim it at the shop. It's got to be done properly. Again, this is to ensure we've got a flat surface, so when the gasket and everything goes back on, we're not going to have no leaks, which is very, very, very important. That is not what we want. So, without further ado, Jack's going to start. So this is all cleaned up now. The studs are all out, the sensors are all off. The place that's actually skimming it will clean all this bit up. We're going to get some of it off, but you can see here, I'll probably just go over it with a little montage before and after. This is the area that they're going to skim. But again, we've checked it over. There's nowhere else what would suggest that it would cause this issue of the head gasket apart from the actual gasket itself. There's no cracks or anything in all these holes, so we're pretty happy with that, but we're just going to get it skimmed to make sure everything's going to sit all nice and flush. So what's going to happen now, you're going to see a little montage of this. I've took a little cinematic of the head before it gets sent off. We haven't got it now, that's with them in their hands. That's going to take around 3 days, so we can do a few things in the meantime. We're going to start cleaning a few bits of this up, sanding a few bits down, ready for the new stuff to go in as well. And I believe, are we putting the water pump on, Jack?
Yes.
Yes, we're going to be putting the new water pump on as well. Anything else we're going to be putting on?
The new tensioner and pulley.
So new tensioner and pulley as well, we're going to stick those on today. This is something we can do in the meantime while we're waiting for that head to be skimmed. Again, that is out of our control, we can't help that. It's just when obviously the company is free to do that. So without further ado, let's take off all this stuff.
That's just not worked.
Did that go to plan?
Nope.
Well, old water pump out, new one in, well, going in.
This
You can see, ah, my feet!
Look! Get the mop! Quick!
Get a spoon! So you just saw the water pump coming off and sanding down on the... You just saw there, you filthy animal. You've got don't waft it, look at him. You've got problems. You just saw us taking off the water pump and also sanding. I got gloved at no. So you just seen us taking off the water pump and then sanding bits down. Didn't even hurt, bitch. So what we're going to do is talk about at this moment in time is on the 12th of May, on Sunday, 10 AM, we're going to do a car meet up at our place. Aren't we, Jack?
Yes.
So everybody's welcome, modified, non-modified, literally everybody. Also, on the 13th, so on the Monday, you will then see all the new banners, the new logos, the new channel name and all that sort of stuff, new outros and everything else. You'll see all that into effect on the Monday. So on the Sunday, we're going to be selling the new Rusty Auto stickers. You guys voted for the name. We've also got all the designs already. I've already paid for them stickers to come, so we're waiting for them now. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell them at £3 each. They're also going to be on the store as well, but we may also do them at 2 for a £5 as well. So it's going to be a complete new rebrand. If you've got some of the older stuff, then the proper OGs. But yeah, so we just thought we'd let you know about that. We'll give you more detail on the meet closer to the time, but it will be in Sutton in Ashfield. Make sure you're there. So what we're going to do now is Jack's not going to have a fag, and then we're going to do some more prep on this. We can put the water pump on and change some seals on that as well, can't we? Don't do it. I like biscuits. Alright, so we're going to end this video here. Just remember what we said, channel rebrands coming, also car meet on the 12th of May. It's on a Sunday at 10 o'clock. We're going to get the head back hopefully tomorrow so we can continue this video. But again, we've done everything that we can so far now until that head comes back. We can't really do anything, can we now? Until that we get that in our hands. Again, those little intros that we keep doing, we're not going to do it on every video. We're going to do it now and then just to keep it fresh, aren't we? Have a little bit of a change as well. So they are nice to do. But at the same time, we're not going to do it for every single one because I think they will get a little bit boring after a while, won't they? So, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.